ayan na mga kababols, ito na po ang ating inaabangan ng ating mixed finals ng ating PNP Maritime Group, ating PNP Patriots at saka ating MG Paddlers. Tara, samahan nyo ako. Hopefully magiging champion po tayo sa ating mixed 200 meters, 500 meters. So yun, what's up mga kababols, ito na po ang ating inaabangan ng ating mixed elite final, ang ating championship. Siyempre nandyan po ang ating PNP Maritime Group, MG Paddlers. Siyempre nandyan din po ang ating Philippine Coast Guard. Andyan din po ang ating Philippine Navy. Puros men in uniform ang maglaban-laban ngayon mga kababols. So ang ating boat number 2, yan po ang ating PNP Maritime Group. Yan po ang ating Philippine Coast Guard. Boat number 3. Then boat number 1, ang ating Philippine Navy. So yan, good luck everyone.
Lane 2 PNP Maritime Group, Lane 3 Philippine Coast Guard, and in Lane 4 Rogue Pilipinas.
Lane 2 tayo. Lane 2 ang ating PNP.
So this is the final seat.
Lane number 1 ang ating Philippine Navy. So lane 3 ang ating Philippine Coast Guard, and lane number 4 ang Rogue Pilipinas.
It's a close fight between all the boats from lanes 1, 2, and 3 and 4. From this vantage point, it's difficult to say who's actually leading, but it looks like lane 3 is slightly leading with about 3 or 4 main seats. But lanes
so yun, dikit po ang mga kababols ng ating Philippine Coast Guard at saka ang ating Philippine National Police ng ating Maritime Group.
Lane 2 is also closing in, the Philippine National Police. So it's a three-way fight between our military and judicial personnel. It looks like everybody is leading, followed by lane 2. And lane 3
Go PNP! Go PNP! Go PNP! Let's kick PNP! Go! 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 PNP! Go! PNP! Go! 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 PNP Maritime Group Paddlers! Dikit na dikit mga kababols! Go! Go! Boost! Boost! Yay! Congratulations nating PNP Maritime Group! Ay, champion, 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 champion! Yun, congratulations mga kababols sa ating PNP Maritime Group MG Paddlers. Sa champion tayo sa ating mixed 500 meters! Congratulations! Yun, nandyan na po ang ating MG Paddlers. Yeah, congratulations! Yeah! Napakalakas! Napakalakas! Yun, yung mga MG Paddlers! Congratulations! So yan mga kababols ng ating 500 meters. Congratulations.
Goldon tayo
Yay! Grabe! Ibang malakas!
Happy birthday, classmate ko!
Happy birthday! So yun mga kababols, kailangan na nilang mag-cool down. So congratulations, sila po ang nanalo ng ating 500 meters.